Greetings, fellow oat heads. Today, we'll be making some homemade oat milk. Here's what we'll need. A cup of oats, a large bowl, 4 cups of filtered water, something to strain, and I like to add some vanilla extract, a date, some sea salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. First, take a cup of organic, gluten-free rolled oats and pour them into a blender. Next, pour 4 cups of cold water into the blender. The cold water helps the oats retain their raw form and prevents them from getting slimy. So store-bought oat milk tends to have a lot of ingredients that you can't really pronounce, but to sweeten my homemade oat milk, I like to add a date, some vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. Act natural. Oh, I looked at the camera. Now just blend everything for about 20 seconds, but don't over blend it. As the items blend, it'll naturally begin to heat up the ingredients, and if it gets too hot, you might just be making yourself some oatmeal in a blender. Now it's time to strain the mixture. You can use a nut milk bag if you have one, or a clean t-shirt or pillowcase will do too. Now the trick here is not to squeeze too hard or the oat sediment might seep through. You'll repeat this step 2 times. I like to pour my oat mixture back into the blender before I strain it through again. Now just pour it into a glass container and try not to spill. Homemade oat milk can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. This recipe is made to be enjoyed cold since it's all natural and doesn't include any added oils or enzymes. And enjoy!